Hey guys, welcome back. Mike here, another episode of Mike's RC Corner. This is just a quick one. I just want to show you guys what I've been doing. I've always been talking about building a track at my house. This is my side yard, and I'm making a figure 8 off-road track. It's probably for like 1/18 scale and smaller, maybe 1/24. You can see it's a figure 8, and it's go over here, and then you go up around this corner. And then we're going to make a wooden overpass, and this kind of piece of wood here will give you an idea. It's going to widen out probably to about 3 feet, so still got to go to the hardware store and buy some pieces of lumber likely to finish this off. Anyways, and you go around here. So these lanes are about 3.5 feet wide. Some areas maybe 3 feet. I'll have to see how it all goes, but I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update. Sorry if there's any wind noise, but get out in RC. It's cold, windy, rainy lately. It's gonna work really well for packing down the dirt and give me a nice hard pack. It's a bit of a clay dirt mix here, so cool stuff. And especially we might get out here late this year if we get a couple nice days and I get that bridge built. Other than that, we can maybe do some crawling course here for now. And in the spring this thing will be ready to go. So hope this might inspire you guys to get out in RC. Maybe some of you can build a track at your house. Don't worry, I still have a whole backyard over here where the kids can play. Some people are like, well, you do it in your backyard. It's not my backyard. So guys, take care, peace out, thanks for tuning in. Hope everyone's having a good day. Take care, peace out, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.